Hello, I want to demonstrate how to control 3 servo motors using Beaglebone Black and a remote controller running on my computer. Now let's start the gimbal by plugging in this power cable and wait for a while. Well, it's kind of noisy, and this is actually a self-stabilizing gimbal, so when you move it, it performs the movements smoothly. And let's try to play with the remote control. We have yaw, roll, and pitch for 3 servo motors. Now, playing with the yaw, left, right, actually it's the other way around. And release it, it stops. Roll and pitch. Let's try it again. Well, this is the fastest I can go in this gimbal. I guess the self-stabilizing algorithms are limiting the speed of it. Well, thank you.